So again, we're going to be going through some of the futures on FixUp. So FixUp is the platform where that is very good for businesses, startups, and even existing business to have their tasks done pretty much faster. So we're going to be looking at some of the features that you can actually use on FixUp to get your tasks done faster, and then to get more businesses and more leads. So basically, let's start with the voice recorder. Okay, so the voice recorder just enables you to record your voice, your meetings, conferences, and some other similar use cases like that where you don't want to be rewriting everything. Maybe you have a meeting and you're trying to take the minutes of the meeting, and then you send out the copy of the meeting to people who are not present or who are not physically present at the meeting. So it saves you a whole bunch of time. So I'm just going to test it out quickly. So I'm going to click on record. So I'm testing out this voice recorder and just to see how it works. So I'm going to stop it right here. Okay, so it has finished recording right now, so I can play to hear what I just recorded. So I'm testing out this voice recorder and just to see how it works. So I'm going to stop it right here. Okay, so that has recorded my voice. So I can either download this voice if I want, or I can just convert it into text. So I can just transcribe and see the text version of it. So basically, just converted it into text. Exactly what I said now is in text version. So that could be a quick tool for you to use at your meetings. Share with your team. Maybe you are in a place where you maybe you are going through a training and you don't want to miss any parts. You can just turn this on, and after that you can convert to text so that you can read or listen to it all over again, or you can even share it with someone else. Okay, so that is what the voice recorder. So we have a similar tool called inside the writing tool. We have the transcriber. This is a similar tool, but if you have an audio file or you already have an audio file that you would like to convert into text, you can upload your audio file from wherever device that you want. And once you have uploaded your audio file, you can click on transcribe, you know, and then you're just gonna wait, and then it's gonna transcribe your audio file. So you're gonna have the text version of your audio file actually. So that's basically that. And if you don't have the file, you can go back to the voice recorder to record your voice, just like the way we did the other time. And after you record your voice, you have to really have the opportunity to convert to text if you want, or you can use your voice file the way it is. So we're gonna be going to the conversation. Okay, so under this conversation, we have two forms. We have the voice, and then we have the text. So I'm just gonna click on text. So this the use case for this text is that it is very cool for you to make voiceover for your videos or for your content, or maybe you have a slide presentation coming up. You can use this text chat, to do a quick voiceover because it allows you the opportunity to be able to convert your chat into voice or into an audio file, which is cool. You can just say hello. It's gonna respond, and it's going to respond to you, and every response comes with an option for you to convert into voice or to a kind of audio file. So you can just say write a script for um, write a script on how to stay fit in 2024. You can just do that. And so I'm going to click on chat, and then you can convert your chat into audio, and then you can use your audio as a voiceover. So there's currently a limit of 30 words per response on this. I'm going to take that away. It's going to be a full chat now, but right now there's a limit of 30 words per response, so that's why you see it cut off right here. But before you check this out, the limit is going to be removed. So you can convert this into voice or into audio, and then you can use your audio for your voiceover and all that, which is another cool way to create content for social media faster. You know, so basically, you can also switch to voice chat. This is also useful for people who are in so much haste, or for people who don't like typing, or people who just want to multitask while they are doing something else. And also, this is also ideally, you know, good for people who are visually impaired, like with people who cannot see. At least it allows them the opportunity to, to control. I mean, to have the same experience that people would have with GPT without actually having have to type and all that. So they can just, record. So I'm just gonna say, "Hello, how you doing today?" So so it allows you to have this full fledged conversation with
Hey
an AI.
there, I'm doing fabulous. Thank you for asking. Now, let's get that greeting recorded and make it sound extra snazzy. Just click on the voice recorder service and give it a go.
Okay, so basically, you just continue to, chat with the GPT that way, and then you have your conversation smoothly, and then, but if you don't like to talk, you can switch back to text, and then you can begin to, ask the GPT whatever you want to, to ask it, and then it's gonna, respond to you. You can just write whatever you want, and then the GPT, as you know, is going to be giving you fantastic, because it can vary from person to person, subject, however. So you can convert this into voice if you want, and all that. So, and also you have the opportunity. Okay, let me go back to the dashboard. And also you can, to follow up with this project and to know when new tools are added. I would advise you add your email to this place and just click on submit. This is going to add you to the list, and then anytime there's an update, you're going to get a message. You're just going to get a kind of newsletter and in your email, so that you will know. And if there's any other tool that you would like to, share, that you want to be added to this platform, you'll be able to respond to the mail, and then you can discuss directly with the developer, which is me. So thank you for watching this. I'll talk to you soon.